Babatiin ko lang ang aking sisi Mars. Birthday niya ngayon. Si Sis Geraldine Chai. Happiest birthday. God bless you. May have more birthdays to come. Kita-kits tayo ulit soon. Kasama na si Amara. So, yun lang. Pagpasensya ng aking kaitsurahan. Hindi ako ready. Binigla ako ni Marcy Sai. Hingi daw siya ng video greetings. So, ito na. God bless you. Love, love. Dito lang ako, support sa inyo. Kahit minsan busy. Hindi pala minsan, lagi nang busy. Love, love. Bye! Love you!
Hi, Ma'am Geraldine Chai. Happy birthday po. More birthday to come. Enjoy your day. At mag-iingat po kayo palagi. Andito lang po kami palagi para sumuporta. Love, love, love.
Happy birthday, Geraldine Chai. Sis, enjoy your day. At Ma'am CJ, happy birthday. Enjoy kayong dalawa. Ito si Nanay Tess. Nanay Tess.
Hello po. Happy birthday po sa inyo.
May birthday.
Enjoy your birthday.
Sis Geraldine Chai, happy birthday po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Ma'am Geraldine Chai.
Ito.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hello guys. Kilala niyo po ba ako? It's me. So, Anne's Vlog. Charot. Ayan. Gusto ko lang po batiin ng happy birthday sa aming naggagandang Ma'am JJ. Kumusta na po kayo? Namimiss ko na kayo. Namimiss ko na yung mga friendship natin dyan sa YouTube at sa Facebook. Hindi na nakakapag-Facebook ako inday. Nakapag-Facebook pala ako pero konti lang. Ayan. Happy birthday Madam J. Chai. Kumusta na po kayo? At happy birthday din po pala sa kambal mo na si Ma'am CJ at Ma'am Honey. And ayan, dami ko na po sila. Happy birthday mga madam. Thank you. Thank you Ate Sai sa paghingi ng video greetings. Kahit hindi na ako masyadong active dito, naalala pa rin niya ako. Love you guys. Bye.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ma'am Chai. Sana tumagos yung spaghetti sa stage. Bye-bye!
Hello, Ma'am Geraldine Chai. It's your day. Hope your birthday is as amazing as you are. Hinaot, mahatagan ka og nga taas nga kinabuhi. Love, love.
Hello, mabilisang greetings lang to. Happy birthday Ate Geraldine Chai and CJ and Dagana. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hello guys! Ayan tayo babati sa ating Tres Marias ng buong universe. Ayan, happy birthday sa inyo tatlo. CJ Kaloy, Miss Honey N, and Sisika Geraldine Chai. Happy birthday. More blessings to come and more birthdays to come. Ayan, ingatan lagi ang health and stay pretty and happy always every day. Ayan, happy birthday again guys. And yan, Sisika Geraldine Chai, thank you always palagi. Ano na yan. Love, love. Happy birthday ulit. Thank you, Ate Sai sa pag-PM. Happy birthday. Mama Chuchu.
Hi! Dariak from here. Ayan, nandito ako para bumati ng happy birthday sa ating Tres Marias na kaibigan. So, Sisi Koy, Geraldine Chai, happy birthday. Baby Love, Honey N, happy birthday. And Guapa, si Jikanoy, happy birthday sa inyong tatlo. Ayan, enjoy your day with your family and friends. And praying for you, mga sisi, good health and blessing sa inyo. Ayun lang, bye!
Say happy birthday, titas!
Happy birthday, Tita.
Say happy birthday, titas! Applying kiss card.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Erudite Studio and I would like to greet a happy birthday po kina Ate Geraldine Chai, Ate CJ Kanoy, and Ate Honey N. May God continue to bless you all po and maraming salamat po sa lahat ng inyong natulong sa amin At sana po ay mas marami pa ang inyong matutulungan. Happy birthday po and God bless.
My name is CJ Kanoy. Welcome to my channel. Ayan, I'm here to bati ating happy birthday. Actually, birthday na ito po ng ilibihan natin. So, happy birthday to the three of us. Pero, ayun, sa iyo ating guwaps, I wish you good health. And more birthdays to come. And syempre, unta, mahitabo ang imong mga wishes din. And yeah, I miss you. I love you.
I wanna great happy birthday sa ating tatlong Maria sa YT World na si Sis Idol Geraldine Chai, CJ Kanoy, and Honey N. More blessings to the three of you. Stay healthy as always and good health. And especially sa akin, Sis Idol, Sis Chai, and Sis Idol, stay pretty always and generous kaning bayhana, very talented, nana niyang tanan. So Sis Idol, always I'm here for you. Kahit malayo tayo, ayan, sige lang pa rin tayong bonding. Kahit sa chat-chat lang, no? Ayan, bonding. Kahit hair clip ko, pakisa tayo. Green and yellow, bonding tayo kasi hair clip. Flex kayong hair clip niya. And then, I will give you 3 flowers, ladies. 3 ito, Daisy. And yan, oh, para sa inyo to. And guys, and by the way, sa mga nag-respond sa aking PM, thank you so much, no? Update kayo sila sa Idol. And ang iba, busy kayo sa mga buhay nila. So, mag-greet na lang kayo personally sa kanila, ha? Thank you so much. Bye-bye. I love you to the 3 of you. This Idol. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Hi, everyone! Nandito ako para bumati. Actually, gusto kong batiin ng happy birthday ang naggagandahan at beautiful kakilala ko sa YT World. Uunahin kong babatiin ay si ano. Babatiin ko si CJ. Hi CJ. Gusto kitang batiin ng happy birthday dahil alam ko naman birthday mo kayon. Namimiss ko na yung pag tumatawa ka, kung natatawa ka naman talaga, pero nagustuhan ko talaga sa iyo yung pag-i-English mo. You know that. I hope na sana bumalik naman kayo sa pagwa-YT at naghihirap na yung Gcash ko. And the second one na gusto kong batiin ay si Ma'am Honey. Kailangan pala. Hi, Ma'am Honey, maligayang kaarawan po at sana po nag-enjoy po kayo ngayon sa inyong birthday at alam kong birthday nyo naman ngayon. Sana po magbalik na po kayo sa pag-YT dahil namimiss na kayo ng mga ninjas ko. And sana more happiness and enjoy your birthday. And nangyari? And especially babatiin ko yung pinakamabait kong Ses, pasensya ka na. Hindi na ako nakakadalo sa pagla-live mo, sa pagpapa-entry mo. Hindi na kinakaya ng aking ultimate body system na pang umaga kasi ako kaya hindi ako nakakapag-support. Pasensya ka na. Ayaan mo, pag nakaya-kaya na ng aking body system, babalik na ako sa'yo. At enjoy mo lang yung birthday mo, ha. Alam ko naman na busy ka rin at nag-e-enjoy ka ngayon. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo dahil birthday mo naman ngayon. I love you all, both of you three. Happy birthday and
Ma'am hindi ko pa tatawag si Ma'am CJ. Si CJ, si Ma'am Honey, Sis Jitchay, happy birthday! At see you soon! See you soon at magpapa-entry na ako.
Ayan guys, patulog na dapat ako ngayon. Pero bago ang lahat, babatiin muna natin ng happy birthday ang Tris Marias ng YouTube. Ayan, si Sisikoy Jerilyn Chai, si Love CJ, at saka si Sisikoy Honey. And happy birthday sa inyong tatlo. And sana nag-enjoy kayo ngayon sa birthday nyo. And ayun lang, God bless always. And lagi kayong gabayan ni Lord. Keep safe. Ayan. Happy birthday. Love you and miss you. See you soon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Jerilyn Chai. More birthdays to come. And hope na magkakaroon ka na ng baby soon, and sana nag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Enjoy your day and kasama ng iyong husband, and more birthdays to come. Yan lang. Happy birthday. Stay pretty and beautiful always. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi guys! Happy Saturday! Gusto ko lang batiin si Sisikoy Jitchay, Ganda CJ at Ma'am Honey N ng happy birthday! More birthday and blessings to come sa inyong tatlo. Bye! Hello everyone! I'm here! I didn't forget, but I miss it. I'm a bit late, but eto, hahabol ako sa birthday greetings ng dalawang YouTube princess natin, si Jerilyn Chai and si CJ Canoy, yung mga magagandang boses sa YT. And I hope you had a great day celebrating your special day yesterday. And medyo maingay yung bahay. And it's another year of life's blessings. So ayun. Daddy Reg is here are you sending greetings to Jerilyn Chai?
Yes, of course. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jerilyn Chai. Ayun. And take care always. See ya. Bye.